Hello class, welcome back today. Thank you all for coming. Today we are going to be practicing some listening, some speaking, some dialogue exchange between you all as a class and also as a group. Okay, so today we are going to be playing a board game. This is going to be one relating to the work that we've been doing, learning about vocabulary for shops in a small town. Okay, so we've been practicing having some dialogue exchange. This will also encourage creativity. So yeah, let's get into it. Right, so here, as you can see on my projector, I have a large map of a small town, and you will be given this same map in a paper copy. I will distribute them out to your desks soon, and we're going to play this board game as a class just until you get the hang of it, and then you can break off into groups of about 4 of you, and then play as a small group competitively. Alright, so the way that this game works is that each student will roll a dice. They will get a number, and that number is how many steps that they take. This is important because you will be moving around the board, going to different shops on the map, and before you start moving, I will hand you all out a bunch of cards. On these cards, you will find items such as fruits, maybe a hammer and nails, maybe some stationery, maybe a train ticket, maybe a movie ticket, all different kinds of things like this. And it should be fairly obvious what item belongs to what store. So you wouldn't find the hammer in the supermarket, you would find that in the hardware store. The movie ticket wouldn't be for the bakery, the movie ticket would be for the cinema. Alright, so if there are any questions in regards to this, do come speak to me. I will clarify them for you. Okay. So, the aim of the game is to lose all of your cards. So you need to go past the appropriate shop or store, and you need to say out loud to the group what your card is. So you may have a loaf of bread as a card. You need to say out loud to the group, could I please have a loaf of freshly baked bread at the bakery? And then the group will all give their thumbs up if they believe it was correct. If they believe it was incorrect, then they need to say why. This will encourage a little bit of group discussion. If you get stuck in your group with this discussion, feel free to call me over. I will hopefully clear that up for you. Okay. So, yeah, these are the common phrases that we've been learning. I think it would be beneficial if we just went through a few before we started practice with the game as a class. So on the board, you can see we have a bank. You may say, "Dear banker, do you have any money that I can withdraw from my accounts today?" At the cafe, you may say, "Hello, sir. Could I please get a cup of coffee today?" The group might say, "How would you like your coffee, just for fun?" And you would say, "I would love a cappuccino, thank you." At the library, "Dear Mrs. or Mr. Librarian, could I please borrow this book?" At the florist, which is where you can buy fresh flowers, you will say, "Dear florist, could I please buy some pink flowers?" At the cinema, you may say, "I would like to buy a movie ticket to see a movie at 2 o'clock today." At the pharmacy, you may say, "Excuse me, chemist, could I please have some vitamins for my running nose?" Or, "Could I please have something for my dry cough?" It's up to you. Please be creative. You may say at the hotel, "I would like one room for this evening with a park view, please." At the hairdresser, you may say, "Could I please have a new short haircut?" At the papeterie, you may say, "Could I please have a newspaper and 2 magazines to read?" At the post office, you may say, "Can I please express post this urgent letter to my grandmother?" Okay, I'll also refresh your memory about a few directional phrases. Left is this way. You can remember because if you put your hands out like this, it's in the shape of an L. L for left. Right is this way. You may say around the corner or up the street, across the road. Okay, is this all clear? Great, thank you. Let's begin the activity as soon as I hand out your maps and dice. Thank you.